Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. Welcome you to topic 3, transporting humans. We are going to look at learning outcome B. Analyze the role of antibodies in vaccination and allergic reactions in relation to human body immunity. We are going to look at the learning activity A. Learners search for and discuss types of immunity, innate and adaptive, the concept of vaccination, role of histamine in allergy, newborn hemolytic disease, and in groups, learners make write-ups and present their work to the class plenary. Immunity, vaccination, allergy, and newborn hemolytic disease. Item 1. Let's look at the types of immunity. Students, 2 of them fall sick with measles. One recovers quickly, while the other becomes severely ill. Task: identify immunity. Distinguish between innate and adaptive immunity. Give 2 examples of each type. Define immunity. Immunity is the ability of the body to resist or fight disease-causing organisms. Distinguish between innate and adaptive immunity. We have the features: innate immunity and adaptive immunity. Nature: innate is inborn, adaptive is acquired. Specificity: innate is non-specific, acquired, specific is adaptive immunity. Response time: innate is immediate, adaptive is slow at first. Memory: no memory in innate, adaptive has memory. Give 2 examples of each type. Innate immunity: we have the skin, we have the mucus, and we have phagocytosis. Adaptive immunity: we have antibody production and cell-mediated immunity. Immunity, vaccination, allergy, and newborn hemolytic disease. Item 2. Let's now look at the concept of vaccination. A child is immunized against polio and later does not contract the disease despite exposure. Task: define vaccination. Explain how vaccination leads to immunity. State 2 advantages of vaccination. Define vaccination. Vaccination is the administration of weakened, dead, or modified pathogens all their antigens to stimulate immunity. Explain how vaccination leads to immunity. Antigens stimulate production of antibodies. Memory cells are formed. On later exposure, a rapid and strong immune response occurs. State 2 advantages of vaccination. Prevents infectious diseases. Reduces disease spread. Protects the community, what we refer to as herd immunity. Immunity, vaccination, allergy, and newborn hemolytic disease. Item 3. Role of histamine in allergy. A student develops sneezing, watery eyes, and itching after exposure to dust. Task. Define an allergy. State the role of histamine in allergic reactions. Explain the symptoms observed. Define an allergy. An allergy is an exaggerated immune response to harmless substances, allergens. State the role of histamine in allergic reactions. Histamine is released from mast cells, causes vasodilation and increased capillary permeability. This leads to inflammation. Explain the symptoms observed. Vasodilation causes redness. Increased permeability causes swelling. Stimulation of nerve endings causes itching and sneezing. Immunity, vaccination, allergy, and newborn hemolytic disease. Item 4. Newborn hemolytic disease. A newborn baby develops jaundice shortly after birth. The mother is rhesus negative and the baby is rhesus positive. Task. Define newborn hemolytic disease. Explain how the condition occurs. State 2 effects of the disease on the baby. Define newborn hemolytic disease. Newborn hemolytic disease is a condition in which maternal antibodies destroy the red blood cell of the fetus or newborn. Explain how the condition occurs. During the first pregnancy, rhesus-positive fetal blood enters rhesus-negative mother. Mother produces anti-rhesus antibodies. In subsequent pregnancies, antibodies cross the placenta. Fetal red blood cells are destroyed. Stage 2 effects of the disease on the baby. Severe anemia, jaundice, brain damage, cancerous, death in severe cases. Immunity, vaccination, allergy, and newborn hemolytic disease. Item 5. Prevention and management. A healthy worker educates expectant mothers during antenatal visits. Task. State how newborn hemolytic disease can be prevented. Explain the importance of antenatal screening. Suggest management strategies for allergies. State how newborn hemolytic disease can be prevented. Administration of anti-rhesus immunoglobulin to rhesus-negative mothers. Explain the importance of antenatal screening. Identifies blood group incompatibility. Prevents sensitization. Suggest management strategies for allergies. Avoidance of allergens. Use of antihistamines and medical supervision. Marking emphasis. Correctly define immunity and its types. Explain vaccination using immune memory. Describe histamine action clearly. Explain the mechanism of newborn hemolytic disease. Apply concepts of health and disease prevention. Conclusion. Immunity protects the body from disease through innate and adaptive mechanisms. Vaccination enhances adaptive immunity by inducing memory cells. Allergic reactions result from histamine release, while immune incompatibility between mother and fetus may lead to newborn hemolytic disease, which can be prevented through proper medical care. Thank you for participating in topic 3, transporting humans. We have been looking at learning outcome B. Analyze the role of antibodies in vaccination and allergic reactions in relation to human body immunity. We have been looking at learning activity A. Learners search for and discuss types of immunity, innate and adaptive, the concept of vaccination, role of histamine in allergy, newborn hemolytic disease. And in groups, learners make write-ups and present their work to the class plenary. If this has been useful, visit me at Mugabi Joshua Biology on YouTube.